thing is that like the upper unit has to be able to. Yeah.
Sorry, the live at 5 there. Almost dropped my phone. All right, so this is the living room. There, which obviously goes into the dining room. Kitchen, that's the basement. So we go in here. Kitchen has been updated, as you can see. Goes back to there. And then I'm just gonna go through here, but there's the backyard. It is fenced. This is the entrance back here for the upper unit. You don't cross paths except for in the basement. And then we go back here to bedroom. This is the bedroom that has 2 closets, but they're equal size. But you do have 2 closets in this one. And then bathroom also has updates in it. And then the front bedroom does have separate heat and separate cooling. Water is included. Now we're going to go to the basement. Down here. No matter how tall you are, you're going to have to watch your head. The taller you are, the more you're going to have to bob and weave. So the basement is really just about laundry and storage. As I can say, there's separate furnaces on that. But so you have storage back there, the laundry. Like I said, this is where you would interact, separate electrical, but unlikely. So that's how they get down to the basement, the upper unit. And then you come back up without banging your head. And voila, you are back upstairs. So